Okay, I got these beads on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I know they have them at Walmart, and I don't know how big they are at Dollar Tree. But I am using white string because it won't show as much as a color string and make it more like an illusion. And I'm going to space them, like put 3 or 4 on each string before I attach it to my mobile band. Coming up like this. Or you could use something else, a different string if you wanted. I'm going to tie it here in a knot. And then I'm going to wrap this around 20 times. Okay. Then I'm going to bring this up. Tie it in a knot. Tight. Okay, and then I'm going to get it off here. I use these that have some pliers in it, but really a piece of cardboard would be better. Just a 2-inch piece of cardboard. And get them all straightened out here. Alright, and then I'm going to come down and cut them. This is Chanel, so it has like a little curl. So I really want to make sure I get to the end, so one won't be shorter than the other. The teddy bear I'm using from the Dollar Tree. Hope you can see that it's getting late. Okay, I attached 3 strings to go up to the ceiling. I attached 3 strings to hang it with, and 3 coming down. And then I added beads. And what I'll do next is I will space them out and tie a knot in here to keep them from moving down and get them all even.